The Bitcoin is pumping exactly as we predicted in the previous video. We have showed you the inverse head and shoulders, and we showed you the direction and also the amount of percentage how much it's gonna pump. Right now we are going very close to our supply zone, and in this video you will get to know what again with the highest probabilities gonna happen next. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Simon from my Crypto Paradise, and as you already know, the CPI data released yesterday, it was actually lower than most of the people and most of the traders expected. It was 7.1%, so that's also the behind the scenes of today's Bitcoin pumping. And as you know, in few hours, 1 hour 36 minutes left until the FOMC interest rates hikes meeting is gonna come. The Powell is gonna be speaking as well. So it's gonna produce some volatility, and we will right now take a look at Bitcoin and what will happen next with the highest probability. So as you can see perfectly, as we showed you in the previous video, the neckline right here got broken. All right, this is the hammer candle right here, as we have been showing you in the previous video as well. It closed above this neckline, and then the price started to pumping. Right now we are something in about 6% profit with the Paradise Family VIPs. We have been entering even below that because we have been expecting that in this inverse head and shoulders to be formed around from here already, and we also saw that the oversold market situation together with the fear in the markets, with the extreme fear in the markets and people shorting, that's basically was a one-way scenario to just push the price up, right? So right now we are revisiting the supply zone right here. We are very close to touch the $18,500 resistant supply zone. And basically, if we take a look at the Fibonacci retracement right here, this supply zone resistance is gonna continue until 19,190, something around that, because it also aligns with the 0.618 Fibonacci level. After that, if we get accepted above the level at 18,500, we can expect to consolidate for a while here in this resistance, which is very big, and there is a lot of stop orders above 0.618 Fibonacci, which is gonna be something above 90,100. So there are two scenarios basically. We can consolidate for a while and then we can get rejected. That's the less likely scenario because of the current market situation. What is more probable is actually that the whales will keep using this kind of liquidation zones and the fear which is in the markets. Also there is the Binance flooding, right? So people are scared, people are withdrawing from the exchanges their money. There's the Christmas behind the corner, so they need some extra fiat, so they are withdrawing their money from exchanges into a fiat. So this is basically a beautiful chance for the whales to actually use the liquidity, use the low volatility in the markets, and really just push through this resistance towards the next Fibonacci retracement level, which is right exactly here at 20,200. After that, if we get accepted and we close a daily candle above this supply zone, and I think personally above 18,500 it's gonna be enough, so we can start pushing upwards to the next resistance zone, which will be right exactly at 20,200. and then if we get again accepted above it, we will go to the MA200, which is right here, and it also aligns with the Fibonacci retracement 1.272, which is at 23,000. So this is from a mid-term time frame, our main interest area, where we will look for some like bigger retracement and some correction from Bitcoin, and where we will be actually selling some of the spot holdings of our Bitcoin which we have accumulated at the bottom as well. So this is actually the prediction for the upcoming Fed meeting, the FOMC hikes, which we expect to be bullish again. If actually the rates today will be bearish, here is the supply zone, right? Here's the take profit area, and we should be rejecting downside again to retest the neckline from which we started to pump. So if the news today is going to be bearish, we don't expect to drop below this line. However, we think that we will be retesting the $17,000, then we will be consolidating for a while around here, and then the market again, based on the price action which will be accumulating around this area 17,000, will determine the next move. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen, for today's video. I will update you again after some important price action gonna happen, but right now our main bears are bullish, and we think we will be pushing towards this supply zone, and we will be breaking through, and it will be sending us to $23,000. Let's see how it goes. If you are ready to start trading like a professional, where we tell you exactly where we open our position, where we take profits, and where we have our invalidation levels, feel free to join our Paradise Family VIP channels. And if you just want more updates and want to learn more, click in the description, there are the free channel links, and you can be enjoying our services for free as well. This was Simon from Paradise Team. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.